circuit is given here, and with the not on equivalent they want to just current value, okay, in the terms of ampere, okay. So we just go for the not on equivalent. So the given circuit, okay, with this source, first one, always whenever you find a 5 amps and 10 volt, if you just ask I means, you please just make a source transformation, the first beginning. That is a very good clue, okay. You see the source transformation, I have to make a source okay. That means what, 5 amps should gonna be come here, 10 volts, so that means what, 10 goes here, and then a 5 comes here, that's all. So likewise, I just redraw the circuit. So 5 amps right now here, and then afterwards as usual, but what and all available in series, you have to make it in parallel. So 2 ohm is in series, right? So please make it in parallel. So this is 2 ohm, okay. That means what and all associated with the voltage as well as current, that you have to make it a series means parallel, parallel means series. That don't disturb this because it is not associated with the voltage, okay. The next one as usual, so you make it as a 2 ohm, there's no problem. And next 5 amps becomes 10 volt, is it right? So minus and then plus, this is 10 volts, okay. Okay, no issues. And then so this associated 2 ohm, it is now in series, sorry, parallel, is it right? Now you make it in series. So I can make it in the form of a series 2 ohm. Okay, so let this become A, and afterwards this is going to be become B. Is it right? Now what you do means, we have to find the current, is it right? Mainly you have to find the current in ampere, that is very important. So you have to make a short circuit. So what is this means, main thing? So make short circuit, A as well as B. Make this one as A and B, okay, and you have to make a short circuit. So now I just redraw after making a short circuit. Look at this 5 amps, okay, and after making a short circuit, what you have, that is very simple. So look at over here, I just making a 5 amps, right? This is not 5 amps, don't forget this is a 5 volt. So it is going to be plus minus, okay. So it's going to be 5 volt, and after you just make this one, what is this, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so both resistor in parallel, is it right? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is going to be 1, so that one it will be available here, okay, no problem, no need to read afterwards. Then this is a minus plus, this is a 10 volt, and then afterwards and there will be become a 2 ohm. Then you are making short circuit of A and B, so this is going to be short circuit, okay. Now this is a new diagram, okay. Now this is a new circuit. Now what you do, apply Kirchhoff's voltage law across all. So that means what, Kirchhoff's voltage law means, if you want to find the I means, what, I is equal to V by R. What is V? 5 plus 10, 15, because all are in series, right? So 15 divided by R, 1 plus 2, because all are in series, it is right, 3, is equal to 5 amps. That is going to be the 5 amps. 5 amps is the answer, okay. Thank you all, thank you very much. If you have any doubts, come in the comment box.